Okay, you may have questions about this doll, but I received her when I was 6, and I took her out of the cupboard because I planned to restore her and be able to display the doll in my office. Let's just say Chewie is not impressed.
Don't.
Moving.
Chewie, are you scared of the doll? Are you... Chewie, it's just a doll.
Chewie has taken cover. Watch what happens if we move the doll near him.
Chewie, just a doll. No.
He's not impressed. Chewie, are you not impressed? Chewie, sit. Chewie. Mm. Oh.
No.
Come, look, it's
Be
okay.
nice to my doll. Be nice to my doll, please.
Come, look, Chewie, it's okay. See?
This doll is way older than you. Please be nice.
Chewie.
No.
It's okay.
No.
Oh no! Chewie apparently wants an exorcism to happen here. Dog vs. doll, who will win? It looks like the doll is winning by doing literally nothing. Chewie, what is this? Come here. Come here. Come. It's okay. Come. Come. Chewie, come here. It's okay. Chewie, it's okay. Come. Look, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, my boy. The doll's scared.
It's okay. No.
No,
No. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Smell. It's okay. See?
He's still not a fan.
It's okay. See?